Are you ready to start your own dropshipping business and earn online but not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can launch your store today with Shopify. Plus, I'll share an amazing deal to get started for just $1. First, choose a niche. What products do you want to sell? Focus on trending items or solve a specific problem people are facing. Visit the ad library and select the country where you want to sell your product. In the search bar, type "Buy it now." Then use the filter option to select ads launched at least 3 days ago and are still active. This is a strong indicator that these products are performing well and could be winning items. Next, head over to Shopify. It's super easy to set up your store. No coding required. Choose a professional theme, customize your design, and make it yours. Want to make sure you don't miss any important steps while setting up your Shopify store? I've created a comprehensive step-by-step checklist to guide you through the entire process. As you go through the process, you can check off every step you finish. Go to createyourshopifaystore.com via the link below in the description and select every step as you complete it. Start building your Shopify store with confidence. You can try Shopify for free for 3 days and get the next 3 months for just $1 per month. Click the link below in the description. Lastly, market your store using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook ads. The goal? Bring traffic to your store and start making sales. Ready to launch your store? Here's the best part. You can try Shopify for free for 3 days and get the next 3 months for just $1 per month. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to start your dropshipping journey. Click the link below to get started today. Shopify is the ultimate platform for creating your online store. It's user-friendly, offers customizable templates, and provides powerful tools to manage products, payments, and shipping, all in one place. Whether you're just starting or scaling your business, Shopify makes it easy to launch and grow your store seamlessly. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about starting your dropshipping store. Let's build your dream business together, one step at a time. Don't miss out. I'll be posting one new video every day with tips and tricks to help you succeed. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.